Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today I'm going to be doing a mani using the Dr. Prince & Co. Festive Vibes Manicure Roulette expansion set. I've featured Dr. Prince & Co. on my YouTube channel before. I'm holding up the embellishments. It's a different expansion kit that is actually on their website, and it's going to be available soon. I know it was sold out and then it's coming back. But the Festive Vibes set is sold out and they're not bringing it back again until next year. But they are releasing a Valentine's Day pack and that's going up on December 26th. So I just watched their live on their Instagram page and let me tell y'all, I'm definitely getting that Valentine's Day pack. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to open up this package here. What Manicure Roulette basically is, it's basically a card game to help you decide what to do to your nails. So if you don't know what you want to do, all you have to do is let the cards decide your nail fate. So their packaging is absolutely stunning. They have card care instructions here on the package. I really appreciate that, but this packaging is so stunning and they print everything in-house. They don't outsource this. The artist, I think the owner is the artist who does all of this. She's extremely talented. So I'm going to go through the two decks that are in here. The expansion pack comes with an art theme and a color palette deck. So look at that foil embossing that is on these cards and these themes. You got holly, candy canes, clementines. I really love the different art themes that they put in this holiday expansion pack. And then next up, you got Color Palette. Color Palette is definitely a smaller deck than Art Theme, which makes sense because there's probably a lot of things you can do for art, but color-wise, not so much. And look at the ruby, the way the foil embossing looks, and purple sapphire. This is so cool. Not all of them have the foil embossing one. It seems like only the gem tone ones, and then a few in the art-themed ones, but these cards are beautiful nonetheless, and I love the different themes they have in these packs. So what I'm going to do is shuffle these cards a little bit, shuffle them around, and pick one card from each deck and let that decide what my manicure today is going to be. All right, so now I'm going to pick one from each and flip these over. So I got Emerald and Mistletoe. Oh man, that Emerald card is so gorgeous. And Mistletoe, I can definitely do this with these two. This is very, very, very doable. I'm very glad that I pulled this set of cards, this duo of cards. It's so gorgeous and I can definitely do this. So I'm going to be doing this set with dip powder and press-on nails. So press-on nails are pre-designed tips with a design already on them. So I basically create my own press-on nails on top of my gel extension tips. So that's how I create my press-ons, and that's why I call them press-on nails. So I design my tips on these stands instead of on my own nails. So Soul Dips has this color called Emerald Chrome, and I cannot believe I didn't even realize I had that in my collection. It just seemed absolutely perfect to use with today's manicure, considering the theme is emerald. I don't plan on chroming this green dip powder, but the name truly literally spoke out to me. And look how beautiful that green just sparkles. I can't wait to show it to you guys when it's activated and glossy in top coat. So what I'm going to do is I have 3 nails that I'm going to make the green emerald chrome color, and then 2 nails are in this blush translucent, semi-translucent pink. I'm going to be doing the nail art of the mistletoe on 2 of the nails. That's going to be on top of the pink nail art, and the green ones are just going to be all by themselves, just like you see here, but they're going to have a glossy top coat on them. I did 2 coats of dip powder on all of my nails, dusted it off, and now I'm activating it, and just look how the chrome dances. When it gets wet, the color just literally dances. It's so beautiful. It's like watching it move. It's crazy. So here are the 2 colors that I've used in today's set side by side. It's called Emerald Chrome and Blush, and those are available at souldips.com, and I have everything linked down below if you need to reference it. I pulled out 3 gel polishes I have here. One is from Soul Dips and the other 2 are from Nail Reserve. So I'll link those down below as well. And I'm using my liner brush to create a gold swoop, and it's going thicker to thinner. And I'm going to do it on 2 sides, so on the bottom and on the top. And they're going to go in alternating directions. So the thick is going to be right here, and it's going to fan thinner towards the sidewall. I'm going to do that on the other second nail as well, but I'm only going to do 1 swoop on the second nail, and you won't really be seeing me do the second nail because it's literally the same thing as what I'm doing literally right here. So I cured that gold in my nail lamp before going in with this green polish. It's definitely important to cure that before you go in with more art on top of it. I'm using the green gel polish to create leaves of the mistletoe. Honestly, I don't even know if this looks like a mistletoe, but I'm going to make it look like what I think a mistletoe looks like, which is a bunch of green leaves and some red, like, little flower berry kind of things. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to make it look like literal flowers though. So I'm doing the leaves on the top side as well, and I'm going to cure the green in my nail lamp for 60 seconds as well. And the nail art brushes I'm using are the art brushes from the Painted Desert. I'm using the 9mm and 12mm. They're my most used nail art brushes from them. If you're considering buying and you don't want to buy all like 6 brushes they have, those are my favorite ones. I'm sorry this is blurry. I don't know why this happened. I think it focused on my glove, but I'm basically using a dotting tool to create like little dots. They're supposed to be like the flower, berry, whatever. Just creating little dots, like little clusters of like this berry color where the greenery is, like right below it, kind of on it kind of thing. And I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. Again, I'm sorry that was blurry, but this is basically what it looks like. It was nothing super extra special. So now I'm taking my gel top coat and I'm going to apply that to the entire nail and cure it in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. I'm also going to apply the same gel top coat to the green nails and cure that in my nail lamp as well for the same 60 seconds. I am seriously so obsessed with how this design turned out. Emerald and mistletoe, these were really, really cute. I like how the gold is in there, but it's not like predominant. It's just sitting in the background. So I like that there's 3 colors going on, not just green and red. So I'm going to apply these press-ons onto my nails and show you guys what it looks like worn. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and enjoyed the Manicure Roulette deck as much as I did. I definitely should have used it more this holiday season, but I definitely plan on using it for the Valentine's Day set when I order and receive it.